Lelu Island is home to the Lela archaeological site, which showcases the remains of a city that thrived from approximately 1250 to 1858. This ancient civilization is noted for its impressive engineering, including an extensive canal system and monumental structures built from basalt and coral. The city was organized hierarchically, with royal tombs and sacred spaces reflecting the social stratification of its inhabitants. Yenish Islet is a small uninhabited islet located near Lelu Island within the fringing reef surrounding Kosrae. It has an elevation of about 1 meter above sea level. Yenish Islet is significant due to its connection to the royal burial practices of the ancient inhabitants of Lelu Island. When kings died, their remains were processed in crypts on Lelu before being transported to Yenasser for final burial rituals. In summary, both Lelu Island and Yenasser Islet hold important cultural and historical significance within the context of Micronesian heritage, showcasing the